Hey there everyone, great to see you back here. Today, I've got something that I just couldn't keep to myself. This is one of those products you have to know about. Let's jump in because this one's truly impressive. First up, the design. This thing just oozes cool vibes. If you're curious to learn more, check out the details in the description. And get this, the price. I was expecting a hefty tag for something like this, but it's super affordable. I couldn't believe how budget-friendly it is without skimping on quality. You're getting an incredible value for the cost, which doesn't happen often these days. It's also insanely versatile. Whether it's for your workspace, your home, or a thoughtful gift, this product fits in seamlessly. You can rely on it to look great and perform well, no matter where it ends up. If you're curious to learn more, check out the details in the description. And before you head out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.